Hi, my name is Juhi Lee. For my final research project, I explored how personal experiences and professional challenges shape a teacher's identity and relationship with music education. In this study, I interviewed Samuel, an experienced educator who works as a general classroom teacher while incorporating music through choir, recorder, ukulele, and the musical productions. Through this project, I became interested in how teachers sustain their musical and educational practices despite institutional constraints and changing educational environment. To protect his identity, I will refer to him using the pseudonym Samuel. Samuel is not a music specialist, but a general classroom teacher who has taken responsibility for leading music activities at his school. During the interview, Samuel described several challenges, especially during the pandemic. Because music education depends on students singing, playing instruments, and interacting with one another, it became difficult to maintain meaningful musical experiences. He also explained that music programs are often affected by limited budget and are sometimes viewed as secondary rather than essential. Despite these challenges, Samuel emphasized that music plays an important role in students' lives. As he explained, music gave students a sense of connection and hope even during difficult times. Through the music, students learned to cooperate, express themselves, and feel a sense of belonging. One meaningful example he shared was teaching Somewhere Over the Rainbow in his ukulele class. He explained that when students played this piece together, it created a sense of comfort and hope in the classroom. Because Summer's dedication, his school currently has an activity music program. However, he will retire in a few years. This raised an important question for me. What will happen to the music program after he retires? Through this interview, I realized that when a program depends heavily on one teacher, it may be difficult to sustain after that teacher leaves. For music education to continue, programs need to be more firmly supported within the school system. This project also influenced how I think about my own teaching. I wanted to create a musical environment where students feel connected, supported, and able to express themselves. I also believe it is important to build programs that can continue beyond one teacher. This interview reminded me that music education is not only about teaching technique, but also about creating meaningful human experiences. For this reason, I believe music education should continue to be supported in schools.